In Jamaica, the term upholder is often used to describe someone who defends or supports questionable behavior. It's not a flattering term, and it's particularly frustrating when it's used to describe women. As a woman, I know that many of us do not condone foolishness or enable bad behavior. Yet, there are moments that make me stop and wonder, why do some women defend the indefensible? Take, for example, the case of a content creator who was arrested and is now out on bail for actions that can only be described as deeply disturbing. This isn't hearsay. There's enough evidence for legal charges. Yet, scrolling through social media, I was astonished to see some women defending him. The comments ranged from innocent until proven guilty to Satan is trying to destroy families. Others said, I'm praying for you, or accused people of being too quick to judge. If this were just about the legal principle of innocence until proven guilty, I could understand. But the same women who now preach patience and understanding would be the first to convict someone else in the court of public opinion if the accused wasn't someone they liked or admired. This selective defense reveals a troubling double standard. Are these women truly standing for justice? Or are they blinded by bias, personal loyalty, or even the charisma of the accused? Cultural and religious factors also play a role. Jamaica is a deeply spiritual country, and some people frame everything, even serious allegations, as a test of faith or a spiritual attack. While prayer and forgiveness are powerful, they should never be used as excuses to overlook harm, especially when a child is involved. What's most upsetting is how these attitudes shift the focus away from the victim. In cases like this, defending the accused so vocally can silence or dismiss the pain of those who have suffered. It's as if the victim's story is less important than preserving the image of someone they admire. It's time to challenge these double standards and support justice for everyone, regardless of who is involved. Loyalty to someone we admire should never come at the expense of truth or the well-being of others.